Alright, ready, go.
Alex, if you don't catch me, you tell me.
Baby, I'm
if
gonna
I
catch
die, if I die, what do? I sit and you just catch me?
Sit, stand, whatever.
No, and then like my ass gets caught in it. Well, I'm supposed to swear, right? I'm mad nervous.
Come on, baby. When you get down, this is the only thing you have to worry about. When you start coming down, just wrap your leg around my waist like we're having sex standing up.
Come on! We don't got all day.
1, 2.
Watch out for the gutter.
I'm so scared.
Don't be, trust me.
Alright. What the? I should have never broke my clip.
You got 9 lives.
9.
What does your clip have to do with this?
1.
Oh my god, let's go!
Come on!
I feel like she don't grab my clip.
I don't play that way.
You guys take mad long.
Alright, 1, 2.
Oh my god, come on, try.
Yo, I'm.
You shouldn't be scared. Let's go.
Alex, if anything, Alex should be scared.
I know.
Let's go.
I'm gonna eat your coochie.
Come on!
Now I thought
Fine.
1, 2, 3.
You didn't catch her.